In my last video, I talked about the 5 criteria that I believe need to exist for us to be really, really good at what we do. And to recap, it's to be good at the business itself, to be ethical, to be trustworthy, to build strong professional relationships, and be a decent human being that makes the world a better place. The thing is, you can meet all that criteria. You can be really, really good at what you do and still be dissatisfied with your job or your career. And probably the pitfall here is that you're working for a company or enterprise that isn't that good, that there is a misalignment. So, what is it that good companies do? What is the criteria? And I would like to suggest that there are 6 criteria. First of all, the company itself is very good at the business that it does. It doesn't need to be number 1, but it should be admired for the services and products that it delivers. It should garner customer loyalty. It should operate efficiently. It should be a smooth running machine. And when you're involved in that, you're part of a process that gives satisfaction. Secondly, look at a company's stated mission and look what it is that the company actually does or delivers. And is there a disconnect or is it bonded together? Because if there's a disconnect, boy, all sorts of trouble can happen because there's pitfalls in between. But if what they do is bonded with their mission, that's solid and allows everybody to move forward. Similarly, number 3, look at the company's stated values. And there's 2 criteria that we should be looking at. First of all, do those values align with your values? Do they resonate with you? And secondly, does the company follow through? Does it live by those values? Are those values embedded in the company's daily culture? The 4th one is this. Is the company truly ethical? Do they operate with transparency? Do they operate above board? Because if they do, that's great. And if they don't, boy, that's all sorts of trouble and consternation. The 5th one is this. Is there mutual respect and trust between the company and its team members? Because that mutual trust and respect allows not only everybody to be happy and to have confidence in what they do, but for the company or the enterprise to operate really smoothly and operate very well. And number 6 is this. Just like I said about us as individual professionals, is the company a decent citizen of the universe, and does it do good in the world? Because if it does, you know that you're contributing to something that overall benefits everybody. And if it's not, boy, there becomes doubt about the purpose of what you are doing. Now, you may ask yourself, well, how do I know if a company's values really align with their stated values or that they truly are ethical? That, my friends, is what the internet is for. You need to do a little research. You need to do a little digging. You need to have those professional conversations so that you truly find out more about a company. And look for this. Are they good at what they do? Does their mission align with their products and services? Do they follow their values? Are they ethical? Is there a mutual respect and trust? And yeah, does the company or enterprise truly make the world a better place? And if you find a company that does those 6 simple things, chances are you're going to be pretty happy. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button, please share and subscribe. And if you're interested, I offer individual professional coaching. My contact information is right there in the description. Thank you.